Hi, I'm Dan Summers, CEO of eVest Technology. Welcome to this week's Whiteboard session where we're going to talk a little bit about the secret sauce to investment opportunities. We all know what that secret sauce is. It's having investors. So whether you're seasoned like me with a thick Rolodex or you're just starting out, you always need more investors. So in the old days, we went to the country club and you might get 5 high net worth investors over a golf season. Today, using digital technology, you can get 5,000 in a 24-hour period. eVest Technology has a tool to give you those 5,000 names. No, we're not in the email lists selling business. We're in the white label platform business. Our investor harvesting tool is driven with artificial intelligence that aggregates and correlates individuals with high net worths. We'll turn them over to you as prospective investors in a marketing-ready spreadsheet for your use. For more information, you go to evesttech.com. That's evesttech.com. Thank you.